Hi, and welcome to MAJ Cognition. Today I am making another video about my plants. I'm gonna talk about crotons today. I have four different types of crotons. The one you see right here with oak-shaped leaf is an oak leaf croton. Okay, you see these two sticks? They're actually just cuttings. They're just recently grown plants from cuttings. So I just took two stems from a school garden, planted them in the bottle, as you can see this bottle here, and watered it until it drained from the bottom. Now it has developed some foliage. So this happened within few weeks. You see, that's how easy crotons are to grow from cuttings, and they're very easy to maintain as well. Right now they are green. When they develop more, when they have more foliage, they will develop more and more colorations on their leaves. So this is one of the most beautiful crotons. It is not so developed yet. Once it's developed, it will grow into a beautiful plant with beautiful foliage, and I will update you guys about it once I have it developed. So yeah, this is one of them. All right, one of the hardiest plants, as crotons are. Let me show you another one. The croton here you see is Petri Croton. Okay, once it was also grown from one stem. Okay, this stem cutting was grown in the bottle just like that, the other one. Okay, this branching here is the latest one, is the newest branching. Okay, and this stick you see, this branch and this branch, they grew later on when I planted this cutting. So when you plant any cutting, okay, including the previous croton which I showed you, you have to prune off all the leaves, okay, to preserve energy of the stems so that they don't spend that energy in maintaining the leaves, and they utilize it to develop roots, because that's important in any plant. If you have roots develop, then the plant will have future and it will develop in a long run. So this was full of leaves. Okay, it grew much better and it was developed. Okay, therefore I planted it in the soil bed from the bottle because it was developed. But for some reason, maybe because of monsoon, plant decided to shed off all its leaves, but hopefully it will grow much better. Now it is growing new branching. You see that one, that little spot, it's gonna grow into a new branch. The same thing happened with this one. Now it's developed. Hopefully this will develop too. This one is also growing into a new branch. It's hard to see because my camera focus is not that great. This is also going to grow. So it was developed, it decided to shed its leaves, because this plant is kind of, if you move it in a different location, it sheds its leaves. So this plant keeps on shedding its leaves every now and then. So if you don't want that to happen, you need to make sure that you choose a spot for the plant and keep it there forever, so that the plant won't shed any leaves, because you move it, it sheds leaves. You do some root pruning, it sheds its leaves. So this is how this plant is. It was about Petri Croton. Now I'm going to show you another wonderful croton I have here. This croton. This is one of the most beautiful croton I have. It's called Mammy Croton with elongated leaves. Well, it has elongated leaves, that's why it is a Mammy Croton. It had wide, as you can already see, it already has wide variety of color on its foliage. It has yellow, pink, orange colors in between. You see this green leaf with yellow line in between. You see this red ones. So these are the older ones. The older they get, the redder they get. Okay, so this was again just one little stick like this, and I pruned off all the leaves as I did in all other cuttings, and I grew it into this beautiful plant. It is a small croton. It's gonna grow bigger, okay, eventually. I'm gonna update you guys about it. All my crotons are going to grow bigger, okay, but they can also be nice small plants. Right now they are nice small plants. They will grow bigger. I'll show you guys when they are bigger. You see that beautiful new leaf coming out? When they come out, they are green. As they get older, they get wider varieties of color. Now, last but not the least, this croton here is a gold dust or sloppy painter croton. Okay, it's because it looks like that some painter dropped some colors, the yellow color, on its leaves, so that's why it's called sloppy painter croton. Okay, it was again grown from one little stick. Okay, took from a developed plant. Okay, now you see it has so many leaves with beautiful foliage. So in all the croton I showed you, the brighter location you put it on, the more color it develops. That's common in all croton. Alright, this is one of the hardiest plant, and it is pet friendly, toddler friendly plant. It's because it's not poisonous. So this sloppy painter croton here has yellow spots. This plant has developed these spots to fool butterflies, to fool them that they already have some eggs from other butterflies. Because when butterflies lay egg on on green leaf, it leaves a yellow spot that shows that there is a clutch of egg on the leaf. So this is how this plant has evolved to fool butterflies, because this is not a poisonous plant. So this is how they defend themselves, by developing yellow spots so that they can fool butterflies and they can stay safe, because caterpillars do eat their leaves. It happens in Mammy Croton, Petri Croton, Oak Leaf Croton. Well, I guess Oak Leaf Croton and Petri Croton are the crotons which are hybrid, and we developed them from the original wild croton. Okay, wild crotons are not as interesting as the one we develop to keep as house plants. All right, that's what we do. We just take plants or animals from the wild, we develop them, breed them to our benefit, and we make them the way we want them to be. So yeah, this was about the croton, pet friendly croton, beautiful croton, hardiest plant, easiest to grow from cuttings, one of the easiest. You won't be disappointed. Most of the time it is successful when you grow its cuttings. So yes, if you are a beginner gardener, you must give it a try. If you have babies, if you have pets, this plant won't harm them. But of course you don't want these plants to be harmed. So if you have rabbits, keep them away, because they're gonna eat their leaves. So yeah, this was it about crotons. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel for more gardening videos. And if you want to see this beautiful croton with developed leaves as I described that it had, there is a 2-minute introduction video of my garden soil bed. Okay, 7 square feet garden, and there is another 2-minute video, okay, of a quick introduction without me speaking in it. You will find this croton with the leaves it had before. So please like my video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more. Check out my channel for more videos. You will find a lot of interesting stuff if you are interested in gardening, pets, and a lot more. Thank you very much for watching.